says I'm alive, so I am gonna go. Happy, whatever day it is today. My group is amazing. I just get blown away daily at the interaction that you all are doing in here, and I am so thankful for you. And I just wanted to hop in here a minute and just give you a couple of little nuggets that maybe can help you. So I'm Patti Allred. Thanks so much for being here. Getting my website set up, pattiallred.com. That's Patti with an I, PattiAllred.com. You can hop over there and watch the progress if you'd like. If you're not a member of our group, because this will be shared in other places, the link will be below and you can hop in here with us. So we have over 3,000 entrepreneurial mindset, mostly women, striving to do better with a side hustle or with a main online business, and to help each other out and just to make life happy. That's what we're here for. Hey, you know what? I came across something the other day and it really struck me hard. It actually says forgetting your past includes forgetting your failures and your successes. And I was like, dang, that's kind of deep. But you know what? We can let our successes hold us back just as much as we can let our failures hold us back. So we need to just kind of, start fresh and go forward. Let's reach for the new things ahead. Let's put those experiences in our past, whether good or bad. We definitely want to learn from them and grow from them, but let's not let them hold us back, be it good or be it bad. Let's just keep focused on the future and on our goal, and just keep that picture of our goal in our minds. I keep saying this to myself, and I want to keep saying it to you as well. It's a one day at a time process. I am ADHD, and I've said it. I'm like squirrel, and I'm gone. I think I can get a witness from some of you. So when I want something done, I want it done like yesterday. If I want, my website done, I want it done yesterday, and anything. So I think that is a hindrance to me, but that's my issue. I've got to understand that it's going to happen, but it's not an overnight thing. I've got a lot going on with different affiliate marketing businesses that I have going, and I'm going to share them, in here. But guys, you guys rock. You are amazing with helping each other out, and I see you giving advice, and I just want to say thank you so much for being here. And again, if you are on a platform where you're not in the group that I'm talking about, I'll have the link below, and you can come and join us. It is for entrepreneurial mindset, mostly women that are looking to just better our lives and help our families and our loved ones get through every day, one day at a time, and freaking enjoy life. You go make it a great day, and I'll see you back in here again.